And here I have the 8-pack, the 8-color low odor magnetic dry erase markers. So what it means by magnetic is, pulling these out, it has a magnet right here, so you can attach that right to your whiteboard or anything else that would be metal next to your board that you're writing on. But here is the tip. So a very fine point tip, and then also has the eraser on top. So let's pull out some of these colors right here. The blue, the black, the pink. This is what they look like. Small, they look like little small microphones, but they have that little magnetic tip right there, which is going to be handy dandy to set or attach to just about anything. Here's the black and red and blue. Let me just demo those really quick here. Okay, so since I'm kind of far away, this probably you won't be able to see it as good, but that's a really fine line. Okay, so let's go a little bit closer so you can see just how fine of a line this is. It's a little bit bigger than your regular Expo marker, but that's what it looks like that. So that is the red, and then once you put this tip back on the top, you can erase it with this tip. So that's very handy as well. Erases even the black. Very simple, but yeah, these markers are great. And I'll use blue. Okay, so that's the fine tip, and then here would be an Expo marker. That's the difference in the thickness. Fine tip, and then the big chisel tip on these type of Expo markers. So this is going to be more for just your fine stuff, like little plastic sheets and things that you can write on. So yeah, these are great. Going to be perfect for that fine stuff with those dry erase flashcards and different things you could use for school. But various colors really work great. Highly recommend. Definitely pick these up.